First, show me your idol.
Yep.
Second, I'll be the one that who you like. Third, change my temperature. Don't ask me why. The reason
Long time no see, right? And I just found out that you guys became like more than like 5,000 subscribers, and yay! So if you see this, there is kind of a like liquid toner on this like machine, this device, and I will just like look at this. Let's open this up. My neck and my face. And actually it really like feels really fun. For the eye makeup though, I got this really pretty eyeshadow palette. It's a really coral eyeshadow palette. I'm going to use this basic color first. I'm going to apply this all over my highlight. And a lot of you guys had left comments like, why are you not coming back? Like, why are you not uploading my video? For it has been like more than like 2 or 3 weeks, right? Cause it was because I was on an exam period, and then just my semester has just finished like yesterday. Can you believe this? My semester was finished like yesterday. Oh no, is that true? So I'm going to apply this just one color. So if I apply really sheer beige nude color, so I think this is I will just apply this simple one eyeshadow, and then I'll apply some glitters. So I'm not going to like add up like a lot of eyeshadows, but rather I'll just focus on the like glitter red lip. So there's just a point for this today's makeup. And I was wondering like what kind of like makeup name should I name for today's makeup? And maybe I'll say like, you know, there are a lot of people saying like Korean like ulzzang makeup. And you might have seen some of those videos if you're like kind of interested in Korean makeup. Like ulzzang means in English, it means like the best face. You know, like K-beauty, and ulzzang is kind of like, actually that's kind of outdated word in Korea, but I don't know why, but it is nowadays again like coming up. It has been hot again, I think. December 25th, which means it's Christmas, and it is almost going to be 2020. Oh no. Yeah. And I watched a Netflix movie like last night, because you know I have been like a free person since last night. So I watched the Netflix movie, and there was like an Indian actress, and it was actually a like US movie, like American movie. And there was an Indian actress, and I don't remember the movie's title, and I'll tell you what I watched. I don't want to do any like kind of spoiler to you, but I just wanted to talk a little bit about that movie I watched like last night, because there was like what is this? Isn't It Romantic? Okay, the title is Isn't It Romantic? Yeah. This movie I watched this movie. This movie, there was an Indian actress, and this was kind of like the actress in that poster that, is she Australian? That like protagonist, women like female protagonist. That actress like likes a guy in that movie. No, not like, she didn't like it from the beginning. I need to focus on my eyeliner. Okay. Very silent, right? Because I really have to focus when I'm going to use this brown color to smudge out my eyeshadow. Try to like cover this eyeline a little bit with a dark color eyeshadow, so that the eyeliner looks like more natural and it like lasts longer. So I like this process, like recently I'm really kind of into smudging my eyelines. Before I didn't really like smudging my eyeline because I wanted to look at like more clear black color. But nowadays I kind of like this type. So I'm just doing like this. Okay, so in the movie, the Indian actress is she Deepika Padukone? I don't think so. If she was Deepika Padukone, I must have recognized her, right? So this was the Indian actress I saw in that movie, Isn't It Romantic? And she was really awesome. She was so gorgeous. And I was watching it, and she and the woman in that poster in that movie, like Isn't It Romantic, they are kind of like rivals to each other, because the guy that protagonist likes is actually he's actually fell in love not with that woman but with that Indian actress like Priyanka Chopra. So she kind of tries to like bring back his mind. I'm not going to talk a lot because you guys gonna hate me if I tell you the how it ends, right? Because like some of you guys might like not really care though you get to know the ending of that movie even before you watch it. But I think most of you guys won't like it, because including me, as I just want to see the movie like while I don't really know how the storyline goes on. Got this reddish glitter eyeshadow. It's really like red. It's like, I show you my clothes. It's really kind of, this is kind of really red clothes. Really red all around, right? So I just got this, and I got this glitter eyeshadow. Okay, so it shimmers like this. So if you kind of like want to apply this kind of glitter shadow, if you see this on the tip, there is actually a lot of glitter. There is actually a lot of glitters on the tip, so you should be really careful not to apply too much, because if you apply too much and if you find it out to like not that good, you might have to like erase all of the eye makeup you did. So that's gonna be annoying, right? So just apply a little bit to smudge it out. Nice and slowly. Just like try to smudge it out more, focusing in the parts nearby your eyelashes, and then go upwards with the leftover. If you open your eyes, like oh, tinkle tinkle. Apply once like this. Don't go on. I'll just apply once and then use my fingers to smudge this up. Bum, bum. Go upwards with the leftover like this. So before I apply my mascara, just curl it out a little bit like this. Not a little bit, a lot. Do something cold. Applying mascara. Oh yes. So if I finish my eye makeup look, just like the glitter and like I like this glitter. Too Faced Soleil bronzer. So I'm just going to make some shades in the parts on my face. So I'll apply the contour under my chin so that my chin looks more sharper, so that my face looks like really round. And this is the way how they contour when they do like Korean ulzzang makeup. So they're going to apply here so that their chin bone kind of looks like more flat. And for your lips, I am going to choose between these four different, they're all different, okay? 4 different lip colors. Okay, a really bright red, and it goes well with my outlook today. I'll apply this really nudie color. Like you can just choose like any kind of nude lipstick that you have. I'm going to just use this one. This is like kind of sexy by the MAC Cosmetics. This. Only in the. So after you do this, like apply this base lipstick in the outer like lip line part, pick out your clean like fingers and smudge it out like just a little bit, not too much. Try to smudge it out like this. Yeah, so if you smudge it out, your lips has become like more like bigger, like more glamorous. Okay. This red color. There. Pretty, right? Okay. Really, really cute. So I just applied my lips and I suddenly look really like to apply this more like deeper red color on my lips. I don't know why I am whispering right now. Maybe I just want it to be more serious. Just apply this like more deeper red lipstick. Really deep. With really, really deep red, right? I like it. And you're gonna ask me like, why are you not applying your blushes today? And no blush day. Yes, I'm kind of done.
First, show me your idol.
Yep.
Second, I'll be the one that who you like. Third,